We are a professional manufacturer of high-visibility clothing. The products include kinds of reflective vests, t-shirts, jackets, pants, raincoat, hoodies, workwear, and reflective accessories. The manufacturing plant covers an area 10,000 square meters and has more than 60 skilled employees. We have full production line for garments such as plate making machine, sewing machine, heat transfer machine, bar tacking machine, button sewing machine, twin needle machine, Surger blue machine, and so on. With the price and skilled technicians advantage, our business growing rapidly. Now our factory monthly production capacity is more than 350,000 pieces. Safety vests, 100,000 pieces. T-shirts, 50,000 pieces. Jackets, 30,000 pieces. Coveralls, 70,000 pieces. Safety pants. Glory is still going to expand its production capacity and also focus on new products development. With a wide range, good quality, reasonable prices, and stylish designs, our products are widely recognized and trusted by users in PPE industry field. High quality, competitive price, and perfect service system is our guarantee for our products. We provide excellent OEM services according to customers' request. We can also ensure timely delivery. Now, we are ready to serve and extend the long-term cooperation with you in our professional, systematic management and fast delivery. Any of your advice or suggestion is highly appreciated.